Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're going to take a look at the top 3 features of the AEG cooker. It takes your baking to the next level, it makes hob cooking quicker, safer and more efficient, and it saves time and effort when cleaning. So we're going to head over to the lab now where we're going to take a look at things in a little bit more detail. Textures are really important when it comes to cooking, but particularly when it comes to baking. Now, this cooker is ideal when it comes to baking because of the plus steam setting that it has. And this is what gets those perfect consistencies. So those fluffy, soft insides, but those crispy, crusty, golden outsides. So just by adding a little bit of steam to the process, you get that perfect bakery style result. So earlier on, we prepped some baguettes. They're currently in the oven. We'll check them when they're done, and I can't wait to see how they look. So they're probably going to be quite hot, but I don't think I can wait any longer. So let's see how they look inside, because this is perfectly crispy, and wow, look how fluffy and soft that bread is. It actually gives you hob cooking that's faster, safer and more efficient compared to other alternatives. Induction hobs are really great because you don't waste any heat. It only heats where the pan touches the cooking surface, so it goes directly to your cookware. So that's why it's going to be much faster. You can also save yourself the time and the hassle of scrubbing away at any burnt-on foods or greasy splatters as well when it comes to cleaning the oven, as the inside catalytic liners remove any cooking residue so that it doesn't build up over time. If you'd like any more information on the AEG cooker, you can visit us here in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.